In this video, we'll show you how to watch live sports on YouTube TV. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open YouTube TV on your device, sign in to your account. Now head over to your home page, and at the bottom of this top picks for you, you'll be able to find all of the available genres on YouTube TV. So click on sports from this and you'll be able to find all of the sports channels that you can watch on YouTube TV. Actually check out the live videos in this section and also find the upcoming shows for the different channels available on YouTube TV. So to watch that live sports, click on that specific video that is currently live that you want to watch. So click on that specific video and you'll be able to find the video playback at the top of your screen. Make sure that you're accessing YouTube TV into a country where the app is available to be able to watch live videos on your device. And that is how you can simply watch live sports on YouTube TV. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.